Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can clone your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine within a short time. And I'm going to introduce you a free software that is the Hasleo Disk Clone. It is the one of the fantastic software and absolutely free for the personal use, and you can clone your Windows 11 properly. If you want to change or switch your system from hard drive to SSD, or if you want to change your SSD, then you can easily clone your system. All the apps Windows will be converted onto the other drive as it is. So it is the fantastic tool and absolutely free. So you have to click onto the Hasleo provider, and then you have to click onto the disk clone. Then you have to click onto the free download x86 64 version. Once you click it, it will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you have to double click on it. Okay. And you have to install it. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will be installed. Once it is installed, we will check out that the environment of Hasleo. It is totally user friendly environment, and you can clone your Windows or your SSD or hard drive within a short time. So let's launch it. Once you launch it, what you want to clone? You want to disk clone. Let's say if you have a drive, D drive, and your D drive is full of with the crucial data, and you want to copy that data, then you can use the disk clone. But obviously we are going to transfer from our Windows, our entire system, from one PC to another PC or one drive to another drive. So let's say if you want to clone your hard drive to SSD, if you are going to switch your hard drive and you are replacing your hard drive with the SSD, then you have to go for the system clone. Go into the system clone. You can see that all the system partitions have already been selected, and then you have to choose next. Then select the location you want to clone. Obviously we have add a drive into our computer, and so it is unlocated space, it is available, so we have to clone that. We have to click on that. If you want to clone in GPT version, then you have to check on it. Otherwise you have to keep the settings as it is. You have to click onto the destination drive and then hit next. Then it will ask for the partition size, so unallocated space after 0 Mbps will be available, and all is good. Unallocated space after, and then you have to proceed, and you can see that cloning will be started. Cloning has been started in front of you, and it is cloning the system, and it will take around maybe depending on your data, but my data is approximately less than 100 GB, so it will be done within, I think, within 30 to 40 minutes. It's not a big deal because 7 minutes is estimated, but if you have 300 GB or 400 GB of data, then obviously it will take a lot of time. So I'm going to stop this video and I will resume this video, otherwise video will get longer. So cloning has been done successfully, and you can see that. If you go onto the my computer, if you check the drive, you can see that system cloning has been done. Now what we have to do, that we have to unplug our hard drive and replace with the SSD, and it will be booted successfully, guaranteed. I cannot test this in front of you because I am doing this practical in front of you over the VMware EXSI. So I have created virtual disk, so I cannot disconnect it, but obviously once you clone it, you only need to remove your you have to shut down computer first, then unplug the power, then remove your primary hard drive, and in place of the primary hard drive you have to plug in your SSD. Once you plug in your SSD, plug in your computer and power on it, it will boot it successfully, guarantee. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye.